Welcome to the unboxing of the Realme X7 Max. Just received this from Flipkart. So Dimensity 1200 5G processor, 120Hz Super AMOLED screen, 50-watt Super Dart charger, and a Sony based 64MP triple camera setup. Uncover extraordinary speed, that's what it reads inside. Case and some paperwork. Charging cable. This is the phone itself. We'll come to the phone in a moment. This is the charging brick. Super Dart charger, which is 50 watts. Now let's get to the phone. Feels compact. Let's next take a look at the physical overview of the Realme X7 Max. So it's kind of a matte finish, and also this is a plastic back. It's not a glass back. However, it's a metal frame. On the left hand side we have two buttons for volume, and on the right hand side is the power button. This is the triple camera setup, and at the bottom Realme has included a 3.5mm headphone jack, and there is the USB Type-C and the speaker. This is a hybrid speaker setup, so there is a dedicated speaker and then the earpiece doubles up as the second. This is the top end model, comes with 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage. So the available storage is about 234 GB. Coming to the display, this is a Super AMOLED display which is at 120 Hz. It's a fluid display, really fast. The display is HDR certified and also supports Widevine L1. Let's take a look at some of the features of the display. So like I said, this is a 120 Hz display. We can manually set the refresh rate to 120 Hz. There is also a auto select. There is also a bright HDR video mode here. The display also supports 360 Hz of touch sampling. Let's now do a sound test. The volume is at around 90%. Despite not having a dual speaker setup, the sound quality is good. The earphone doubling up as the secondary speaker is doing a good job here, and the sound quality is good. Next, coming to the battery side of the things, the battery is a modest 4500 milliampere battery. But Realme has made up for it somewhat by providing a 50 watt super dart charger in the box. And this fast charger, the super dart charger, is capable of charging the phone from 0 to 100, that is the full charge in 1 hour, and in 30% it takes it to about 60% charge. Let's look at some sample video playback. This is a 4K video. Coming to the cameras, it's a triple camera setup with a 64MP Sony branded IMX682 camera, and then there is a 8 megapixel ultra wide and a 2 megapixel macro camera, and on the front there is a 16 megapixel selfie camera. So this is the Realme app. Comes with a night mode, photo, portrait, and some additional settings. There's also slow motion and an expert mode as well, where the complete controls are exposed. So in conclusion, let's look at the pros and cons. We'll start with the pros first. The Realme X7 Max comes with a good display with 120 Hz refresh rate. The audio quality is also good despite the second speaker being just the earpiece. Realme has also offered the 3.5mm headphone jack. This phone supports 7 5G bands and is future proof. And there is also the availability of a powerful 12GB 256GB variant. The cameras are decent and it shoots good pictures in daylight. The 2x zoom is also good. Coming to the cons, the design is bland and also the back is plastic. Competition offers a more powerful 65 to 67 watt charging, whereas this one is a 50 watt charger, and also the camera does not have an optical image stabilization. Thanks for watching, and until the next video, bye bye.